Hey guys, I'm Nargis Cross, International Brand and Marketing Strategist, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite Instagram story hacks to help you get more views, more followers, and more clients. So guys, the first thing you want to do with your Instagram story is you want to be storytelling. So for instance, I might, if we are doing a brand production, what I will do is I'll share behind the scenes, I will take people throughout my day. If I'm giving tips, I will use every single frame to give like one part of the tip and then maybe another and then maybe another. So this is how I use it because I don't try to cram everything into one frame. What you want to do is caption your video stories for those people who are watching it on mute. You let them know exactly what's going on in your story. So what you want to do is you want to use your swipe up feature. Of course, this feature is only available if you have over 10K followers, but do not worry because there is a way to actually do this using IGTV. Now, when you write a caption, this will actually be clickable. So you're able to actually use your swipe up feature in that way as well. What you want to do as well is use fun stickers. Obviously, what you could do is use really cool stickers that are already available for you within the Instagram app itself. Another thing you can do is use the copy and paste feature. So if you go onto images, you go back into your Instagram story, it's going to give you the option to add sticker. I use this all the time when we're doing, when I'm encouraging people to go check out things on my website or perhaps go into my private Facebook group or anything that I'm really promoting. This is a really cool way for you to be able to use a copy and paste, and you can do it with just about anything. I also do this with gifts as well. So if you want to add really cool stuff, and obviously that's going to make your stories more engaging. It's going to make them not look like everybody else's. So that's something you also definitely want to play around with. My other favorite thing to do is to record the screen just like this. So for instance, if I want to highlight something on my website or if I've had a magazine feature or anything that you have going on that you want to tell people about, what you can do is just go ahead and just record your phone just like this and scroll up and down or whatever it is that you want to do, and then you can just add that onto your Instagram stories, and there you go. It looks really, really cool and really engaging. In this video, I shared with you all my favorite Instagram story hacks. I hope you found them useful. And if you have, you're gonna love my social media content planner with post ideas for 30 days. So go ahead and download that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.